Power transmission. In automobile, the process of transmitting the power generated by the engine through a mechanism to operate the automobile is called the power transmission system. The complete transmission system includes the clutch, gearbox, propeller shaft, rear axle, and front axle. The purpose of the engine is to generate power, which is transmitted and distributed to some components of the vehicle in the form of energy in the vehicle, which makes the vehicle operate. Types of power transmission. Power transmission in a vehicle is mainly done in the following three ways. 1. Manual transmission. 2. Automatic transmission. 3. Clutch-based transmission.